Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of peak. The pointed top of a mountain. For example, the snowy peaks rose against the blue of a cloudless sky. American pronunciation. Peak. Peak. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Peak. Say. Peak. Peak means pointed top of mountain. Peak. Peak. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Mountain peaks surround the lake and protect it. Now, repeat after me. Mountain peaks surround the lake and protect it. The second practice. Finally, the flood waters fell and mountain peaks emerged. Now, repeat after me. Finally, the flood waters fell and mountain peaks emerged.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.